Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ali Syahrial. My majoring Islamic Criminal Law. I'm from Purwakarta. Hello everyone, here I will introduce one of the tours in Purwakarta, namely the Sri Baduga Fountain Park Tour, are often called to Situ Bulet. Sri Baduga tourism is a tourism asset owned by Purwakarta. Before the pandemic hit Sri Baduga, this was often attended by spectators every night of the week. As a resident of Purwakarta, Sri Baduga has come at the pride of the citizen of Purwakarta and is also iconic for the city of Purwakarta itself. Before becoming of a Sri Baduga Park, this park was a fairly large run like called Situ Bulet. The origin of Situ Bulet is related to the event of moving the capital of Karawang Regency from Monayasa to Sindangkasih. Precisely in line with the infrastructure development of the city of Purwakarta at an early stage, Situ Bulet was created on the idea of Raden R.A. Suraminata. Situ Bulet was created with two purposes and use. First, as a source of water for the benefit of the government and the people of Purwakarta. The water from is used, among the other things, for worship and the other activities at the Great Mosque. Second, as a place of recreation for the benefit of the second use of purpose. In the middle of a traditional building similar to a gazebo building was erected as a resting place. The construction of Situ Bulet with a second purpose or use may be closely related to one of the region privilege, namely the right to fish and rivers or lakes. This privilege was part of the region's lifestyle at the time. In the reality, it is not the region which to fish, but a number of people during the event. The region lived in a residential area in the middle of the village, watching a number of people catch fish. The event is usually in 11 by gamelan convent. Almost simultaneously with the activity of renovating the pavilion, Situ Bulet was deployed and expanded. This shows that Situ Bulet has an important meaning for life in the city of Purwakarta. The city of Purwakarta is one of the hottest places in the world. The existence of a large volume of water and a large area causes the air temperature in the city continue to be hot. Therefore, the Situ Bulet area is very educated as a place of recreation. Now, the residential building in the middle has disappeared. Similarly, fishing events are no longer there. However, until now, Situ Bulet remains a landmark of Purwakarta city. Situ Bulet is widely known by the people of Purwakarta. Currently, Situ Bulet, the Sri Baduga Fountain Park, which is famous for its beautiful fountains. Currently, Sri Baduga Fountain Park is the largest fountain in the Southeast Asia. This fountain operates every Saturday night. Many visitors from the often event-free tourism also visit this fountain. Sri Baduga is also present as a very influential tourism sector in the city Purwakarta, because in the every audience, not only Purwakarta people, but most of those who watch the fountain are people outside the city of Purwakarta, such as Bandung, Jakarta, Bekasi. Even people foreigners also often watch the Sri Baduga Park. Sri Baduga Park is one of the largest fountains in Southeast Asia. How not the fountain, the Shell's high looks is a very far from the view of the audience. Plus, it is given the colors that adorn the fountain that Shell high. And this is a high selling point for the of City Purwakarta, which hosts the Sri Baduga Fountain Park. The tourism and economic sector were very good at the time because the Purwakarta SMA actors were helped to sell well. And this is a beautiful Purwakarta Sri Baduga Fountain Park that is very useful for all the people of the city Purwakarta. Okay, thank you all. Hopefully useful. Sorry if there is a wrong word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.